The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Hello everyone, hope you're having a pretty good day so far. Thankfully it's staying nice and dry, and that's how we're going to be as we get into a lot of the week ahead. Thursday does have some spotty showers, but they're not going to put a big wrench in any of the plans that you've got to get outside. But the way that system comes through ends up influencing what happens over the weekend. If Friday's able to hold on to a couple more showers and that system slows down a little bit, then Saturday and Sunday will stay more dry. But right now it's looking like Thursday gets the bulk of our rain, Friday stays dry, and then Saturday, the system's able to creep a little bit closer to us. Now, temperature-wise, with the dry conditions that we have, Tuesday is actually going to end up a little bit cooler than we did today, with Roanoke at 78, Lynchburg at 79, NRV at 73. Wednesday bounces back a little bit. That puts us right up around 80 degrees. But with that cold front that causes Thursday's showers, I wouldn't expect too many temperatures that warm as we get into the next few days. Now, the Storm Prediction Center is keeping us outside of storms for today, tomorrow, and on after that. But on the future tracker, we are going to have some cloud cover. Through this evening, it's a mix of clear skies and clouds going towards midnight. That cloud cover helps to hold on to some heat, but not a ton. We're going to be back into the 50s for our lows overnight. So repeating the trend that we've seen since our last cold front came through over the weekend. We are still going to have some clouds early on Tuesday. In fact, right before sunrise, it's a little bit more mostly cloudy to overcast than it is pure sunshine. But I don't think it takes long until the day for those clouds to break up. We've got partly cloudy skies again. Even by 5 p.m., some places towards south side are looking a little extra sunny. We've got high pressure, which just does a nice job of squishing down any clouds. It presses down on them. It's putting high pressure on it, so it makes it really hard for the clouds to rise or rain to form. That's why we're going to stay so comfortable through a lot of the afternoons ahead. Mornings are a little on the cool side with those temperatures in the 50s, but as soon as the sun rises, it does a really good job warming us up quickly and consistently to put highs at least up into the 70s and not reaching the 80s. Now, once that high makes its way off towards the east, that's when things are going to start to change. Thursday, that brings in another cold front and brings in a different sort of high pressure further from the north, and that's going to start bringing in some more consistently cool air. So the temperatures are 5 to 10 degrees cooler than average as we go through this weekend into the start of next week. And even looking towards the next 6 to 10 days, while there is a lot of warmer air concentrated towards Minnesota, North Dakota, we're going to stay on the cool side, especially NRV and south side compared to average, which at this point in the year is upper 70s, around 80 degrees. Expect a lot more low to mid 70s as we end May and start off June, which is still pretty comfortable, just not quite what we would be expecting for average. Most of our temperatures overnight fall back into the 50s. Blacksburg at 51, Danville at 54, and Lexington at 54. Tuesday, we get up into the 70s. Blacksburg 73, Danville at 78. And then Wednesday, it's starting to cool down. Not a huge change yet. Roanoke still at 80 degrees, and then we'll see the cooler air coming in behind that. Thursday, we're in the mid 70s. Friday, we're in the low 70s, and we stay pretty close to 70 itself as our rainfall comes through on Saturday and Sunday. I would say Saturday is the best chance to get some rumbles and thunder. Right now, the severe threat is looking pretty low, but then we still have showers on Sunday and Monday, even after the storm chances start to wrap up.